Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, 4-wheel drive, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, air conditioning front, cruise control, anti-theft security system, hands-free communication, center armrest, airbag deactivation, clock, power door locks, side airbag, power windows, USB connection, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.